Now she's in danger of never waking up. Sleep too long, and she'll starve. 2/3 of these mice do. Her neighbors, on the other hand, never rest. Like all ants, they are industrious. But what makes them unique is where they live. Only the size of a grain of sand. They're so small, their entire society fits inside an old acorn. It seems the perfect safe house, but maybe it's not such a good idea to build your home in someone else's food. Giants stalk this forest. Wild turkeys. Time to secure the grubs and hold on tight. This could be a rough ride. At least acorns make sturdy homes. Summer in the forest comes fast. The acorns still aren't ripe. And, with no patch of his own, he's forced to forage in the older male's territory. He needs to bulk up. In desperate times, chipmunks will try almost anything, maybe even a slug. Or maybe not.